Okay, we've got another quick little flower tutorial. This is done with our glass sticks. Very versatile. So these ones are cone flowers. So let's get started. I've got a little bit of my stick left. I'm just going to, let me just show that. I'm going to cut it on a slight angle that way. Slight angle that way. I'm just going to round this top. So I'm going to make it a little bit shorter. And I'm going to just soften those points. So if you put your cutters on a slight angle, you can sort of see where you're going. You just want to slowly shape around it, just taking any sharp points off. You should end up with a shape like this one here. Okay, and that's just going to be the top of our little flower. Right, we're going to cut our petals. So it's basically going to be cut this way, that way, that way, that way. So I'll show you the first cut. Come on a slight angle. See that nice little curve? That's okay. I'm going to take a little bit back out this way. And do some skinnier ones. Okay, and then all we want to do is pick them up. We just want to take off these 2 points and soften it. So one off there, one off that side, and then on an angle just tidy up those little raggedy points. So it's 1, 2 points, and then on an angle, and then just soften. And now we've got our general shape, we can basically start arranging them. So we'll put our first one, I quite like this one, the way it goes out. So lay that one there. I'm just going to do a little bit of a cut here on an angle, just a little bit, just so that it sits in nicely up that way, so it helps it to fan out that way. Might make him a little bit thinner through here. So the stained glass shapes beautifully with the cutters. Just make sure that your wheels are sharp. And that would be the start of our flower. So for the stem, I'm using a glass stick again, and I'm going to attempt, it's always a bit lucky trying to get a really thin strip. So same thing again. Let's have a look. Just got the glass scorer, and we're just going to run that down and cross our fingers. We're going to get a nice little skinny bit out of there. Running pliers. So just do it from both ends. You can sort of sometimes hear it or feel it. You might even get half of it, but I can feel, oh there you go, not too bad. And for a leaf, another bit of green glass, I'm just going to cut probably approximately 20mm in width, and I'm just going to soften the 1, 2 corners, so take those off. Okay, cut us at an angle, and we're just going to soften these points here. And that will roughly be a little leaf. You can cut it smaller if you want, cut it in half. And that's our little cone flower, so it's quite good to do a little group of them. But yeah, nice and simple, and just using our glass sticks. I'll pop a link in the bottom to all our colours. I think we've got about maybe 20, 30 colours. But yeah, really, really nice ones and nice to work with. I hope you enjoyed that. Just a little quick, easy cone flower to do. So yeah, give them a go. They're nice and easy. Thank you.